Very good morning, children. Children, last class we saw a poem name called as Barkha Eye. Here we saw the experience of rainy season. How does we feel when the rain comes? Not only we, even the birds, animals and the plants and trees also. So let us continue. Let's revise the meaning. First, Barkha. 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 Rain. Badal. 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 Cloud. Path. Path. Leaves. Khushhali. 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 Prosperity. More. More. Peacock. More. Peacock. Next. Dal. 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 Branch. Bijli. Bijli. Light. Nadiyan. Nadiyan. Rivers. Koyal. Koyal. Cuckoo. Ritu. Ritu. Season. Hariyali. Hariyali. Greenery. Boonde. Boonde. Water drops. Dharti. Dharti. Land. Next. Harshaye. Harshaye. Happy. Suhani. Suhani. Pleasant. Okay, children. So I will revise it again. Children, repeat after me. Barkha, rain. Barkha, rain. Badal, cloud. Badal, cloud. Path, leaves. Path, leaves. Khushhali, prosperity. Khushhali, prosperity. More, peacock. More, peacock. Dal, branch. Dal, branch. Bijli, light. Bijli, light. Nadiyan, rivers. Nadiyan, rivers. Koyal, cuckoo. Koyal, cuckoo. Ritu, season. Ritu, season. Hariyali, greenery. Hariyali, greenery. Boonde, water drops. Boonde, water drops. Dharti, land. Dharti, land. Harshaye, happy. Harshaye, happy. Suhani, Suhani, pleasant. Okay, children. Now let's go to the next exercise. Second. Now we are going to see some words which are repeated twice. Okay, so we'll see what does it mean. Okay, the first one, dal, dal. Dal, dal. Dal means we all know that branch. We can see here branch, right? So dal, dal. So each and every branch. Each and every branch only is mentioned as dal, dal. Okay, next, umad, gumad. Umad, gumad is nothing but we have already seen in the poem. It is the sound of thundering. Okay, children. Next, rim, jim, rim, jim. So rim, jim is nothing but the water droplet sound when the rain comes. Okay. Next, kale, kale. Kale, kale means the black clouds. So they are talking about the black clouds. Next, chum chum. Chum chum means this is also a kind of sound when the rain comes. Okay. Next, actually this chum chum and rim jim both are the same. Okay children. Next, path path. Path path. Path we have already seen, leaves. Yes or no children? So path path means each and every leaves. Okay. Next, cook cook. Cook cook means the sound of cuckoo. Next, pihu pihu. Pihu pihu is also a sound of a bird. We have seen, right? Next, nach nach. Nach nach means dancing. So when the word is repeated twice means it is very much, lots of. So that is only is mentioned. So if it is very happy means बहुत बहुत. So we say as बहुत बहुत. So very much, lots of. So in the same way, the word is mentioned twice, it becomes double the meaning. Okay children. Next, we'll see the third exercise. We'll see what is happening here. They have given some pictures. We have to identify what is the picture and we have to write the name. So the first one is already done for you. So what it is? Yes, the black clouds. Kale badal. Okay. Now what is this? Yes, this is droplet. Droplet. So raindrops. We call it as boonde. Boo, Chandra Bindu and De. Okay, boonde. Okay children. Boo in De. Boonde, and there is a dot here. Okay. Next, what it is? This is a picture of a river. Can you see a river here? Yes. So it is called as Nadiya. Nadi. So there is choti ki matra. Nadiya. Nadiya. Okay. So there is a sleeping line. Okay children. Next, what is this? They are mentioning as dalda. So each and every branch. Okay. So it is dal. Dal means nothing but the branches. Okay. So they are mentioning here branches. Okay children. Next, we'll see the match the following. So what it is? This is the seasons. Okay, so here they mentioned the season and it is mentioned here what season it is. You have to find out and you have to do the match the following. So I am not going to do this match the following. You children have to do it by yourself. Let me explain. Okay, I'll explain it. So first one is Varsha Ritu. Varsha Ritu. So Varsha Ritu is nothing but rainy season. So you have to identify where is the rainy season in this picture. Then Sharat Ritu. Sharat Ritu means winter season. Winter season. Next, Basant Ritu. Basant Ritu. Spring season. Spring season. Next, Grishma Ritu. Grishma Ritu. Summer season. Okay children. So now
Thank you,
from
children.
this
See
picture
you later.
identify the seasons and do the match the following. So this will be your homework children. So do your homework and complete your work. Okay.